When joining households, it is so easy to just have the mindset that we're going to move everything into one place and kind of figure it out, sort it out when we get there. That is the worst possible way to approach joining household items. So if you are moving in with someone else, if you are joining households, whether that's a friendship, roommate situation, or a romantic relationship, the very first thing to do is to take inventory of all of the big items each of you own. Because what happens is if you haphazardly just move everything into one place with the idea that you'll figure it out when you get there, you end up moving a lot of extra stuff that wasn't necessary. You could have donated, gotten rid of, or sold beforehand. And then you have to move it a second time if you don't want it. So if you get rid of stuff, if you kind of purge the unnecessary items, or at least send them off to storage before moving it into the next residence, it saves you so much time. It may even make you money. It's a win-win. So if you go through each of the big items in each of your households, what you do is you just take a list. This sounds really boring and unsexy, but it makes such a big difference in the final outcome, and making this process be less stressful. So take a piece of paper or a note on your phone, have a column for where this item currently is. So it's in the townhouse living room. Okay. What that item is, brief description: gray rug, brown couch, yellow floral chair. Just something to help you figure out what it is. Then third column is where it's going. So that third column, if it's something that you're going to end up getting rid of, if as you're sorting through things, you realize, you know what, we're not taking this with us. You can put sell, you can put donate, you can just put an X for just get rid of it. I don't care where it goes. All of these tactics work. So when you're able to do that, when you're able to put all of the big items in, you may realize that you have 3 beds more than you have space for at the new house, right? You're going to realize that you don't need 2 coffee tables. You're going to realize that one of you has a dining room set, but one of you has the couch and the living room furniture. Perfect. All of this gets sorted out so much easier when you just make a list. When you just organize your thoughts on paper or in a note on the front end, it makes everything about the move and the co-joining of households so much smoother. I hope this tip helps you. If it does, or if you'd like further help, click that subscribe button, follow this channel, all the good stuff. Reach out to me if you need more one-on-one assistance. vivenzastudios.com/consult. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.